Hi everyone. Let's try to solve a problem about arithmetic mean. The problem is find the value of x when the arithmetic mean of x plus 2 and 4x plus 5 is 3x plus 2. So there are only 3 terms in this given sequence. So if we will try to illustrate the sequence, we have here x plus 2 and then the middle term with the arithmetic mean here is 3x plus 2, and then the last term would be 4x plus 5. So we'll try to find out what is the value of x for each term. Now to solve, we're going to add the first term and the third term, or the last term. So x plus 2 plus 4x plus 5 over 2 equals the arithmetic mean, which is 3x plus 2. Then for the numerator, we'll combine the common terms. So let's start with x. X plus 4x equals 5x. Then the constant 2 plus 5 equals 7 over 2. Then it's equal to 3x plus 2. Now, to eliminate the denominator, we can do cross multiplication. So we have 5x plus 7 equals 2 times the quantity of 3x plus 2. Then we will copy 5x plus 7. We have 5x plus 7 equals, so we'll multiply 2 to 3x, so that's 6x. And then 2 times 2, that's 4. Since we're looking for x, so we'll combine common terms. So since 6x is positive, so retain the 6x, then transpose the 5x, it will become negative 5x, and then copy the 7, which is transpose the 4. So we have 6x minus 5x, it's x, and 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So our value of x is equal to 3. Now if you want to check, we can substitute the value of x to each term. So first, it's x plus 2. So if we will substitute x by 3, so that's 3 plus 2 equals 5. So this would be the first term. And then for the second term, which is 3x plus 2, it will be 3x plus 2. So it's 3, then substitute x with 3. So 3 times 3 plus 2, that is 3 times 3, 9, plus 2, that is 11. So 11 is the second term. Then for the third term, which is 4x plus 5 is equal to 4 times 3 plus 5. That's equal to 4 times 3, 12. Then copy plus 5, that is 17. So 17 is the third term. So our sequence here is the first term is 5, the second term is 11, the third term is 17. So take note that an arithmetic sequence, it has a common difference. So 11 minus 5 is 6, and 17 minus 11 is 6. Therefore, it has a common difference, which is 6. So our answer is correct. So hopefully you learned something from our little discussion. Thank you.